Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Maria's Physio Talk. Are you experiencing shoulder pain in your day-to-day activities or shoulder restrictions like doing simple tasks like combing your hair or taking something from up, taking your arm backwards or taking off your clothes? And you may wonder like why it is so. I never had any fall, I never had any injury, then why it is happened to me? And what are the reason behind that? So, I am a physiotherapist, and as a physiotherapist, I will be telling what are the exercises for that and what is the main reason behind that. So, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video notifications. Frozen shoulder is a condition characterized by pain and stiffness around your shoulder joint. Shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint. Bones, ligaments, tendons that are encapsulated in a connective tissue of capsule. When this capsule becomes tightened or thickens, that is frozen shoulder. People 40, particularly women, are getting high risk of getting frozen shoulder. Signs and symptoms of frozen shoulder begins gradually, worsens over time, and resolves within 1 to 2 years. But physiotherapy makes your recovery faster. First, I will show you some exercises which can be done with stick, which is easily available at home. This is a great way to regain your shoulder mobility. So, let's start. First, stand upright with arms straight. Then, slowly lift your arms upwards. Stretch your arms as much as possible and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come back. You are not actively lifting your affected arm. Actually, with the help of unaffected arm, you are just stretching your arms upwards. Hold it 5 seconds, then come back. Next, you can lift your arms upwards away from your body as much as you can. Hold it, then come back. Again, away from your body. Hold it, then come back. Next, you can just lift your arms upwards while bending your elbows. Again, breathe comfortably. Lift it, hold it, then come back. Another way to do the same movement is like unaffected hand should be overhead and affected hand should be lower, and hold the stick, and with the help of unaffected arm you can just lift your affected arm upwards as much as possible. Breathe comfortably, hold it, then come back. Next, elbow should be 90 degree and push your affected arm away from your body with the help of unaffected arm. Push it slowly. Come back. Breathe comfortably. Come back. Push it. Next is pendulum exercise. You can lean forward with unaffected arm on a supported chair or a wall. Then by using a small weight on your arm, you can just do forward and backward movements. Let the gravity sway your movement. Then rotation. Let the whole body moves. then finally side to side. A small weight in your hand helps to break the adhesions that is formed due to frozen shoulder. Thus, you can regain your shoulder movements. Next, I will show you some wall stretches. Stand upright, close to your wall with a 1 arm distance. Then, stretch your arm without bending your elbow. Move closer. Go up as far as possible. Feel the stretch, then come back slowly. Stand upright with one leg forward, then do wall push-ups against your wall. Hold it, feel the stretch and come back. Next, for the rotation, place your hand on the wall. Then with elbow straight, you can do just rotation. First make a semicircle, then make a circle. Remember, exercises are the best way to regain your shoulder mobility. If you have any doubt regarding the exercises, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you.